Hey everyone, in this lesson I'm going to show you how easy it is to automatically retouch your portrait images using ON1 Pro Lightpanel instead of Lightroom Classic. So we have Lightpanel opened up and we're inside of Lightroom Classic. And let's say, for the sake of this video, that we've already gone through and culled all of our images and we've found our selects. Now it's time to start editing. So let's grab this image here. Let's go into the Develop tab. And to retouch our portraits, it's incredibly easy. All we have to do is head down to this portrait retouching section. So if we want to smooth the skin, we can just enable smooth skin. That's automatically going to create a mask for us around her face, so that if we need to smooth out the skin, we can just pull up on our slider here. And just like smooth skin, if we need to darken the eyebrows, we just enable that slider. That will create a mask around her eyebrows. So if we need them a bit darker, we can just again modify that slider. So let's just go through these. I'll brighten the eyes a little bit. I'll pull up on the slider. And let's also do the same thing to the teeth. I'll pull up on the slider. And we have some nice white teeth in our portrait capture. Now, if any of these sliders are a bit too strong, remember, you can always pull them back to your desired taste. But it's really easy to do to just enable them. Just click on them to enable. It will automatically create that mask for you. And then all you have to do is just adjust the slider. Now, once you've found the perfect portrait retouching combination here, you can always batch process a group of images using these same settings to save you a ton of time whenever you're editing your selects. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next Lightpanel lesson.